Hey everybody, Andy Nelson. So what does the phrase magic number 108 mean to you? Now, for most of you, probably nothing. If you're from the Chicago area, you probably recognize it as being a phrase that was used around the Cubs when they won the World Series after, I believe, a 108-year drought, right? So magic number 108 became kind of a rallying cry or something associated with that accomplishment. Now, somebody around the time of the Cubs win attempted to register magic number 108, specifically the hashtag magic number 108, as a trademark, claimed exclusive rights to use it in connection with clothing and maybe some other things. Now, you might think, oh, okay, what a great idea. Capitalize on that idea and move forward. But here's the issue. With hashtags especially, remember, trademarks have to indicate a single source of goods or services. That to function as an actual trademark, right? It's got to point to a single source of goods or services. And if what you're claiming as a symbol of your brand doesn't do that, it's incapable or not capable of functioning as a trademark, and therefore it's not a trademark and you can't protect it. Now, this is largely how hashtags are viewed, because what's the purpose of a hashtag? I mean, a hashtag is really a method or mechanism for grouping conversations, right? Or discussions about topics or things or what have you. But that is really the purpose of a hashtag. So what's critical in the analysis here, if you're trying to think of something to use, and if you want to register at some point, or even try to enforce it if somebody challenges you, a third party is going to look at this when they're trying to determine whether you have trademark rights. Is they're going to say, what is critical? This is what's the public perception? What is really the public perception of what's being claimed? And the public perception of hashtags is really seen differently. It's seen as being, again, a method for either grouping discussions or directing attention to, or allowing you to find. It's a tool, right, for you to be able to find information on the web. But it doesn't really point to a source of goods or services in the same sense that a logo or a symbol or a logo or a name or something like that does. So hopefully this is starting to sink in. So it's great, you conceive of something, you want to protect it, but some things just can't be protected that way because they don't function in the way they need to. They have to function as a trademark. And hashtag whatever, fill in the blank, generally doesn't do it. There are some exceptions, don't get me wrong. There are some hashtags with words that are they're so associated with just one source of goods or services that it's possible, but it is difficult, let's put it that way. So in this case here, hashtag magic number 108 was denied. It was declared invalid. It was not granted any sort of registration because it was really considered kind of informational, merely informational symbol, or just conveyed information is what it did. It didn't serve to function as a source identifier. So anyway, I hope that helps explain the problems, the challenges behind trying to claim ownership over a hashtag or use a hashtag as an actual trademark. Now, you may have a mark and you may have a hashtag with it in order to help build recognition of your brand and direct conversation, group discussions, that sort of thing. But the hashtag with your word mark in it itself is difficult to claim as its own distinct mark in and of itself. Anyway, hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about this video, please drop a comment, shoot me a note, and if anybody else would benefit from this video, please feel free to share it. Until the next one, have a good one. Bye-bye.